everybody, so I got a quick tool haul, Milwaukee tool haul from Home Depot. I did the tool haul was yesterday, but I got really busy, so we're gonna do the video today. Appreciate you guys' time. Please stick around and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody. Alright, so today these are the items that I picked up. Well, I picked them up yesterday. I didn't pay out of pocket for them. I used the gift card. And I've been looking at these lights in the store for a while. I just never ever pulled the trigger and bought them. And you know, I had $629 on a gift card, and I'm like, oh, I'll just pick them up. So I'll move these to the side real quick. So the little one is just an M12 220 lumen. It's just like all the rest of the Milwaukee lights, the true view and high definition output and true color even beam and natural light. 220 lumen, 11 hours on high. Using a red lithium XC 4.0 extended capacity battery pack. So you can get 11 hours on a 4.0. And I picked up the really big one that they had for the M18. And this actually has a USB port on the back. You can charge stuff off of it and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. It says up to 100 hours runtime on low. And right here it says on high 700 lumens 10 hours, medium 350 lumens for 20 hours, low 100 hours at 70 lumens, and strobe 16 hours at 700 lumens. And I think these lights are really neat, and it says with an XC 5.0 is the times. So standard 5.0 battery we all use on our impacts and stuff like that. But what I thought was neat is it can be a task light or an area light. And if I move the camera up a little bit, this knob right here, I thought it was just an accent collar. I didn't realize it was anything else. But if you watch the LEDs, it rotates, and I thought that was really cool. I thought it was extremely neat, and the part numbers for the little small M12 one is 2351-21. And my dad always taught me you can never have too many lights. This is called a trouble light with USB charging, and its part number is 2363-20. And the little itty bitty one, this is an M12 version of that one, M18 version. This is the M12 version. It has a USB port on the back as well. M12 lantern floodlight. That one's trouble light, M18 trouble light with USB charging. Same information, true view, 400 lumens, 180 degree or 360 degree. This one is talking about it with an XC 4.0. So 8 hours at 400 lumens with a 4.0 battery on high. On medium, it's 200 lumens for 15 hours with a 4.0 battery. On low, it's 67 hours at 40 lumens with a XC 4.0. And then strobe is 16 hours at 400 lumens with an XC 4.0. So I'm assuming the hours will be a lot greater if they used it with a 5.0. Because I think they demonstrated the information with a 5.0 on this one. So I should say not a 5.0, I should say they should have used the XC 6.0 numbers on here, but this one also does that. the collar, you spin the collar and it turns. This one's a lot tighter than the M18. The ring is a lot harder to turn. I thought they were neat, and it was like $150, like $6 out the door. I didn't pay for it, you know, it was on the gift card. Home Depot gave me a huge gift card. When they screwed up my order, they gave me, it was a $2,000 gift card. They lost a $3,800 order, and so they gave me a gift card, and then even still reordered my items and sent me my items. So that was nice of them. So I figured, oh well, I got basically $2,000 that I can spend on some tools, and I already used some of it. So I figured, oh well, you know, I had 600 and something left. I'm like, you know what, I'll just buy some lights and a couple things that I think would be amazingly useful. This one also has the USB charging. It's basically a clone of the M18 model. The only difference is it's an M12, that's an M18. So we got two M12 lights and an M18 light. I'll do separate videos because I don't want this video to be 30-40 minutes long for unboxings. So I'll just unbox these in their own separate videos. That way they're, you know, short and sweet, you know, 5-6 minutes or whatever. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smash the bell notification icon if you guys want future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!